Yeah, the last overhaul was thorough. We just need to secure this housing.
Precision is everything when you're dealing with a jet engine. Every wire has a specific home, and securing them correctly is paramount to safety.
F-135 engine, the most advanced fighter engine in the world. Ensuring its readiness requires unparalleled precision and skill.
Check the alignment on port 2.
Looks good from here, angle steady.
Using advanced sensor imaging technology, we conduct meticulous, non-destructive testing on the engine components. From the microscopic level to large-scale production, additive manufacturing is revolutionizing how we build critical components.
This refueling boom is being refurbished by our skilled technicians. Meticulous work ensures the highest quality standards are met.
Check the alignment on the flow divider.
Looks good. Ensure the coupling is secure before we proceed.
Check the torque on the V-nut.
Reading 40 inch-pounds, good to go.
These nozzles are critical, connecting directly to the high-pressure fuel lines. They must withstand the extreme temperatures and pressures of engine operation.
The scale of these engines demands intense focus. Technicians often work within the casing itself to inspect.
Meticulous work is essential. Technicians like Char_2 ensure every component meets the highest standards. Here is one of precision and high-tech industrial processing, emphasizing the critical aspect of balancing components for safe, high-speed operation.
The inside core factory air logistics complex at Tinker Air Force Base includes the 76 Aircraft Maintenance Group, 76 Propulsion Maintenance.
Look at the stress fracture right here on the cowling.
Yeah. We need to inspect that closely before reassembly. The pressure sensor right here is showing intermittent readings. We should recalibrate it before finalizing the build. Here at the inside core factory, we ensure these engines perform at peak efficiency, maintaining the highest standards of aerospace engineering.
This sophisticated machinery allows for the precise handling of the engine's core components, ensuring flawless integration.
Here at the Advanced Manufacturing Center, we utilize the latest in precision technology, like the Hoffman system, Final torque check on driver 2 is complete.
Okay, let's move to the main assembly. We're clear for installation. We need to verify the alignment before the next phase of assembly.
I agree. Let's review the data logs from the previous shift.
According to the revised blueprints, this section requires the reinforced housing. We should adjust the assembly plan immediately.
A little lower, easy now.
Holding steady at 3 meters.
All right, bring it in.
This process demands meticulous coordination and careful handling, as bridge cranes are used to move various components into their exact positions.
To ensure they follow the inside core factory procedures, technicians consult electronic operator manuals or technical manuals for guidance.
The assembly process demands absolute precision. Every wire and pipe on this engine is critical, installed by our highly trained technicians.
This schematic shows the updated fuel flow assembly.
Right, make sure the torque settings match the new specs.
Check the torque on the B-nuts.
Reading 40 inch-pounds, confirming specification.
Good, let's move to stage 3.
Steady, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pin right here. Looks good, clear on this side.
The tolerances look correct here.
All right, let's clear the area. They're bringing the fan module down.
The core factory is where meticulous precision meets raw power. Here, every component of the jet engine is internal. The core factory is where meticulous precision meets raw power. Here, every component of the jet engine is
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Copy that, watching the alignment pins now. A little to the left, perfect.
The assembly of a modern jet turbine is a dance of precision. Every component must align perfectly, a task that...
Hold it there. Okay, slight adjustment to the left. Perfect, bring it down slowly. Check the pressure differential on the number 3 bearing.
It's reading slightly high according to the schematic here.
We should run the calibration sequence again before sign-off.
Here in the assembly plant, our technicians perform the final critical checks, ensuring every component meets the highest standards of safety and performance. The assembly of a modern jet engine requires precision engineering and meticulous testing at every stage. Inside the core factory, precision is paramount. Every component, from the smallest sensor to the massive fan...
Okay, easy now. Bring it down another 5 centimeters.
Watch the alignment on the left side.
Looks good, drop it another 2 millimeters. Copy that. Coming down slowly. All right, I've got the adjustment tool in place. Good. Apply gentle pressure counterclockwise.
We need to verify the clearance here before sealing.
Bring the scope in, let's double check the turbine inlet.
Before the engine leaves the Derby facility, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure smooth operation and functionality. Safety and precision are paramount. Every engine is subjected to extensive testing before it ever leaves the ground.
As part of engine testing, The engines are run hot and subjected to various performance profiles to assess their readiness for operation.
The heart of the aircraft, the jet engine, requires precision at every stage of assembly. Here at the core factory.
Okay, easy now, bring it down slowly.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Looks good, keep going. Lowering the cover now, watch your heads.
All right, I got the strap on this side.
All right, easy now, watch the clearance on the left side. Looks good, keep it coming down slow.
Inside the core factory, the next generation of Tukugoryet takes shape. A blend of advanced digital...
Check the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good from here, angle is steady.
Torque settings checked on the forward strut. Confirmed. Awaiting final alignment.